How many we got? Do we have enough? Yeah, we do.
Hold on.
Recording in progress.
Something wrong with your video, Rebecca? It's showing, but it's showing black. I didn't see. Not sure if everyone else see you.
Rồi nộp bài tập đó.
It's everyone see Miss Rebecca or no? Oh yeah, we see you now. Yay! You're muted. You're on mute.
Yes. I'm on the iPad now. That's the okay. Hi everybody.
Hello teacher. Hello teacher.
Hello. How are you tonight?
We're good.
Good. So today we're gonna, here's the plan. Until now, you guys have been writing the paragraphs and I've been correcting them and giving you some advice. And now we're going back and we're gonna study about the structure of the paragraph. So maybe you will understand it better than because you already practiced and I gave you some advice about some things. And then after that, we will write paragraphs again of a different type. So that's the plan over the next half of the course. Hello. So let's start off with the game. We are studying the academic word list. This is a word list that's developed for academic writing and academic studies. So let's do list number 2. Last week I went over some of these words. You guys have this. So I want to notice something though. In the word list, the stress is bolded. So evaluate. When we play the game, it's just gonna have a number, a little dash here to indicate the pronunciation, okay? So, which do you guys like, the Rocket game, the Blast game, or the Quizlet Live game? We played both.
Blast.
You like Blast? All right, let's go there. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? Don't worry about those stars. Those stars show the stress. Compute, conduct, evaluate, final. That's all that it means, okay? Oh, do you need the link? I put the link in the chat. Sorry. I forget you can't do the QR code from the computer. It's in the chat.
area then by my family. I can help the child and help they see some user. Is that your family? Now go for user. I'm I am available.
Okay, is everyone here? Can I start the game? Can I start the game?
Yes.
Please say no if you're still waiting.
Together and play together. Then they walk, get they see some lion. Is that your family? No, of lion. And
All right, let's go. Okay, let's view the stats and see where we're having problems. Range. So this would be a range of skin colors, a range of different colored people. The way someone behaves to guide or to lead someone is to conduct a project, to conduct an orchestra, to conduct a class. Acquire is to get, acquire skills. You are acquiring some English skills. You are acquiring writing skills. You can acquire knowledge. This is also often used with money, acquire money. Focus. Of course, focus with the glasses and focus with the camera, but to focus. What is the focus of your essay? Your topic sentence should show the focus of your essay. Text. We all probably know text messaging, but text is simply the writing, the printed words. Resource. fossil fuels, oxygen. But also we can say, what are your resources? What are your learning resources? You have a library, you have the internet. So we have different uses of these words that you might know with environment, but also it's related to your learning. A resource center will have computers and internet and books and encyclopedias. Injure. To hurt. Element. Of course, there's the element that is in the science of like hydrogen, but we can say elements are parts of something. The elements of writing. What do you need to know about writing? What are the elements? Commission. This is usually like have like a government group of people to study something. Institute. Right here. A university is an educational institute. A school is an educational institute. But you have scientific institutes, social institutes to work on social projects. All right, these you got correct. Let's play one more time. Bill Jasky, you want to refresh?
Teacher, when I
Yeah.
refresh the game set is the game has already begun, so I cannot join.
Oh, but it's not. So let's go back here.
Thank
Who
you.
just oh Jasky, you signed up again, so I delete this one. Okay, everyone good? If your name is not here, please speak now. Okay, here we go. You're gonna have new teams. Go.
Con chơi game, chơi game mẹ. Con cho chơi game.
Can you see it? Okay. I want to show you something, guys, about studying words. Next week, do you guys want to keep doing the same words or do a new list?
Same word.
Okay, because there's a lot of them and I know it's difficult for some of you. right? It's difficult, right, Emily? Are you there? Okay.
No, my hand. My hand.
I think it's quite difficult.
No,
Yeah.
my
So let's keep using this list. Let me put it in the chat one more time. I think these words are quite useful for academic writing. And they have multiple definitions. Okay. I'm putting it in the chat. So we'll keep doing the same one, okay?
Okay.
Now, I want to show you something. One way to learn about the words, these are just the definitions. And ChatGPT is great for this. Do you know the word collocations?
Yes, teacher. Not yet.
I'm going to write in the Zalo right now, so you have it for later. Okay, so I wrote this in the. Okay, so for example, we have evaluate. Well, let's do one that has a number of different usage, like resource. So I can say collocations. Show me collocations for resource. So collocations are word combinations. So you can see the use, adjective plus resource. Then we have the different kind of resources. And they talk about, it gives you an example. These talk about from environmental science to business management. So when you look at the words and you find a word you don't know, my suggestion before, remember I told you about the Longman's Dictionary. I suggest keeping a vocabulary notebook, guys. Use it for all vocabulary when you're reading books, when you're watching movies, when you do your study in school, or when you study these words. Okay, so achieve is a verb. Verbs we often we want to know the collocation. What do they go with? Now, you can go to Longman and you can write, you can search. You're going to get good sentences here. Now, see this AWL? That's what that means. It's part of this official list. It shows you the word family. That's like the different, if it's a noun, the adjective, the verb. However, and then for verbs, you can see all the verb tables here. I'm putting this in the Zalo chat. Now, however, the collocations sometimes are listed and you can see them in the sentence. But the best way to get collocations is to use the Chat GPT. Show me collocations for. Achieve. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Aim to achieve, strive to achieve. The best to learn how to use the words when you're writing or speaking to is you have to know the common collocations, and the dictionary doesn't tell you this. So that's my suggestion to you. So we'll keep this one list here because there's 60 words, and then you can study it more slowly and get better at the game. So does everyone understand?
Yes.
That's very useful. Both of these sources, more than just reading the definition here. But I chose this one because it has pictures and I like that. And it's fun to play the game. But to really study, you need to look at the dictionary and collocations, okay? All right. This time for homework was a little different. Oh, and this time too, I need to share with you the rest of the chapter. So now we're on my iPad. Okay, guys, how everybody?
Hello.
Hi. So here we go. Basic paragraph structure. You can see it. I asked you to do this for homework. So let's look at this. Now, what's this?
The title,
No, what is it?
Turkey flag.
A
The
sandwich.
picture. It's a sandwich. Have you guys ever seen a sandwich that has a little flag on top
Yes.
No,
or a toothpick in it?
no.
A stick.
Yes.
Sometimes the stick has a little flashy thing on it. Well, I wanted to talk about attention getter. So we have, let's imagine that a paragraph is like a sandwich. There's a topic sentence. It gives the controlling idea. This is the main point. Now, sometimes you have a first sentence that is not your topic sentence. It just is like interesting fact or question. And in some of your writing, I've been telling you not to do that. But actually, it's okay. But it has a name. It's called attention getter. And it should not be more than one. Should not be more than one sentence. Because you need your topic sentence. That's the most important. If you look at my feedback, some of you will notice that you wrote too much stuff, general stuff in the beginning, and you didn't get to your main point until the middle of the paragraph. Should not be like that. The topic sentence is the top bread. Topic sentence. Okay. Then you have your supporting sentence. That's the middle. It discusses the main points. And then you have your concluding sentence. It summarizes the main points and restates the topic sentence. And sometimes it may give advice depending on the type of paragraph. Now, look at this. Your topic sentence, which number sentence is a topic sentence?
Number 2.
Right. What's the main point of the topic sentence?
The main point is to tell the reader about the importance of taking a break.
Right. So in this sentence, which part is the main point? Sentence number 2.
I don't really understand you. Can you explain again?
Oh, okay. So let's look at this question. Look at the second sentence. What does it say about the topic? If you guys did this homework, what did you write for number 2?
Right. Give further information about the topic sentence. Because I think the first sentence is the topic sentence.
Well, the topic sentence is number 2. And what does it say? The main point is the second part.
Leisure time has specific benefits.
Yes. Yes, this is the most important part right here. It's not the first. The first is, in today's busy world, it's easy to forget about the importance of taking time off. This is what we call the attention getter. That's what I'm talking about. That's your flag on the sandwich. It just is an interesting point. It's like a fact or a question. So the topic sentence is not always the first sentence. You have to be careful, okay? Now, look at the last sentence. Does it summarize the main points or restate the topic sentence in different words?
Yes, is this?
Does it restate the topic sentence or summarize the main point? Let's look at number 12. It's the last sentence. What do we call this last sentence?
Concluding sentence.
Yes. So concluding sentence might restate the topic in different words, or it might summarize the main point. Which one is this one? If you guys did your homework, what was your answer for question 3? So guys, you can use the chat in the Zoom to answer my questions if you don't want to talk. So I asked you to do this for homework, but I told you don't send it to me because we're going to do it together. So what did you write for number 3? Summarize or restate? Let's write our answers in the chat box of Zoom. Just write summarize or restate. How about everybody else? What did you write when you wrote your homework? Okay. Anybody else want to put their answer? All right. Yes, it summarizes. So the restate, okay, leisure time has benefits, but what are the 2 main points? What's the first main point?
Leisure time help people stay healthy.
Yeah, relaxation. Reduces stress. People need to relax. What's the second point?
allowing them to work more industrially and productively.
No, no, no. Second point of the paragraph. So first point, look here, the green. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. Sorry. The green, first of all. The first point. Relaxation reduces stress. What's the second point?
The second
Creativity.
point is creativity.
Creativity. What's the third point? Yes, good job. What's the third point?
Our positive attitude. Can lead
Right.
to a positive attitude.
Yes. So therefore we have this summary here. Stay healthy, work more industriously and productively with different words. Putting it together. It's giving the benefits. So if the concluding sentence talks about some of the points of the body, this is the body, then it is a summary. If it only really just restates in different words, they're okay for the paragraph. They're both okay. All right. Before I move away from this example, we have our signalers. What are our signalers for the main points? The supporting sentences, main point. What are the signalers? The keyword.
First of all, for example, the next.
Not, oh yeah, first of all, and next, and
finally.
And then for the summary?
In all.
Right. Okay, all in all. What are some others? You guys are good at this. I read your paragraphs. We wrote like 3 paragraphs already. All in all, what else?
Lastly.
Oh, okay. Lastly, lastly is talking about a final point, not the summary. In summary, nice. Good. In summary. Some more. Do you have some more?
Overall.
Yes. Good.
In conclusion.
Yes, they're going straight for the simplicity. In conclusion.
At the end.
You wouldn't say at the end. In sum, you can say.
In
So,
short,
sorry?
in short.
In short, yes. Another one. Good. In short. Now, finally and lastly, indicate the final main point or supporting points. Okay, so we have other signalers here. What are they in the paragraph? They're in purple. I put them in purple. In the purple box. What did I write?
Such as, for
Yeah.
example,
Yeah.
for instance.
Yeah. These are ways that you give more supporting evidence for your supporting points. And you can also use like, such as photography, like photography, for instance, for example. And I noticed you guys are pretty good at using these signalers already, but I just wanted to point them out. This is a very nice example of a good paragraph. It's got everything it needs in it. Okay, so let's move on. Let's look at our vocabulary. Word forms. I just showed you like the word family. Ooh, can I erase it? Let's do it together. Let's talk, guys. You talk, I write. Give me the adjective. Don't be shy. If I want to hear you speak. Benefit.
Beneficial.
Beneficial. Beneficial. Sorry. Beneficial.
Yes, see, it's great. Talk, talk, talk so I can hear your pronunciation mistakes. Beneficial. Okay, create.
Creative.
Creative. If you don't speak, I can't hear your mistake and then I can't correct it. Energize.
Energy.
Try again. Try again.
Energetic. Energetic.
Yeah, energetic. Sorry. Okay, function.
Functional. Sorry. Go ahead.
Help.
Helpful.
Helpful.
Great. Produce.
Productive.
Productive.
Read.
Readable.
Readable.
Nice. Study.
Studious.
Study.
Good. It actually changes. Studious. Stress.
Stressful. Studious.
Okay. Nice. So your topic sentence is going to have two main points. It's going to tell the topic, and then it's going to give the main ideas. So this paragraph will show you, that's going to give you the ways that it's relaxing. Some hobbies are too expensive. It's going to show you, it's going to probably give 3 hobby expensive and then give examples of why. Some jobs are dangerous. This will probably give 3 jobs that are dangerous. Job 1, job 2, and then explain examples for why. Again. Exactly. So these are all going to give the jobs and explain why. All right. Now, what is a good topic sentence? You don't want to be too general. You don't want to be too specific. This would be the type of thing you put in your supporting example, or it would be like a good attention getter at the very beginning, but it's not a topic sentence. Attention getter is usually very specific. It's usually like a fact or something. I think like this would be an attention getter. This could be your first sentence, but it's not the topic. Now, what's good? The number of hours that Americans work each week has changed in the past 30 years. Has changed. Your points are going to be, how has it changed? Showing 1.2.3. Answering the question, how? All right, let's do it together, guys. If you don't want to talk, put your answer in the chat. Tell me if it's good or not good, or like too specific or too general. Number 3, digital cameras have several advantages over film cameras. Good or not good?
Good.
Yes, it's good. Digital cameras are a common form of technology these days. Good or not good?
Good too.
Good or not good?
Sorry, I lost this boy. I don't know how to value a sentence good or bad.
Okay. Number 4, do you think it's a good topic sentence or not?
Good.
Okay. Actually, it's not good. Why not? Why not? It's not good because it's too general. Do you see the difference between 3 and 4, guys? Why number 3 is good, but number 4 is not good? Number 4 is just saying digital cameras are common. It doesn't say anything. Number 3 has a position, a stance. It has advantage, and you're going to try to show how digital camera is better than film camera. This is an argument. That's why 3 is good and 4 is not good. Okay, 5. Digital photos are composed of small squares, just like tiled kitchen floor or bathroom wall. Good or not good?
Not good.
Not good.
Why not? Yeah.
Too
Too
specific.
Why not?
specific.
Yay, that one we got. 6.
Not good.
Why?
Too specific.
No, it's too general.
Well, actually, the fact that you guys are arguing about that, it's actually good. It's like learning a new language. And then this one is going to be like how? How is it like learning a new language? Point 1, like this. Point 2, point 3. If I can make this feeling, it's usually good. This is an opinion. That's the key point. This is the topic. Topic. This is the key point. Okay. BRB, BTU, CU, and FTF are abbreviations. Good or not good?
Good.
Not good.
Not good.
It's too specific.
Why not?
Too specific.
Exactly. 8. Smartphones can perform a variety of useful functions. Good or not good?
Good.
Good.
Good. The opinion is variety of useful functions. So you're going to have a point. You're going to say the functions. Function 1, function 2, function 3. You can even give examples. Okay, consider these 4 factors when buying your next phone. Good or not good?
Not good.
It's good.
Oh,
It's going to be an opinion. Topic is buying your next phone. I know it seems maybe a bit too general. You might question this one. But the fact that it says 4 and consider means you should do this. That's the opinion here. And then you're going to have point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4. And then you're going to maybe give some example of that. Example of why you should or why you shouldn't. Okay, cats have certain characteristics that make them good family pets. Good or not good?
Good.
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 Here's the opinion. Here's the stance. Good family pets. Why are they good? Point 1, good for this reason. This characteristic makes them good. This characteristic makes them good. You're going to list the characteristics, and then you're going to explain why those characteristics make it a good pet. You're going to argue. I say, I already know you're arguing for cat's a good pet. If you're not going to say, oh, cat has good points, cat has bad points. It's about cats being good. Okay. Animal shelters take care of homeless dogs and cats. Good or not good?
Not good.
Why?
It's too specific.
No, it's too general.
Oh,
But anyway, it's not good. That's the most important point. Okay. It's a good idea to volunteer at an animal shelter.
Good.
Good. Super
Yeah.
good.
I put a little question mark on this. I don't think it's a good topic sentence, but actually it has the opinion. It's not bad. I just don't like it. Because you can say, why is it good? Point 1, point 2, point 3. We got the opinion. Do you see the difference? We have an opinion. These are all your opinions. Oh my goodness, we are out of time. So guys, you don't have it yet. We're gonna stop here and continue next week. I did a little bit more vocabulary explanation. We don't need to do that next week. We'll just play the game and go straight here. This is good because I want to go through the so if you did not finish your homework, you have to finish it. Because I'm not checking it. The only way that you can know if you did a good job or not is to do it. So you can compare your answer with my answer. There's no point for me to go through your homework and check it. But if you don't do it, you can't compare and you can't ask good questions. So you do not need to do this part. Okay. Now you do not have it yet. I'm sending you soon. You guys don't have past this page. Don't worry about this stuff. Okay. Go to page 61. Now nobody has it yet. This time you're going to look at the topic sentence and then you're going to make the point. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now you're going to write the main points. And then we're going to look at our signalers. They call them signals. I call them signalers. But anyway, signals. I showed you these. And then fill it in here, okay? Then this is what we call, you're going to look at the model again. And make like an outline. And then here you write your concluding sentence. Now, this one, you put them in the correct order. Do it as you can. I'm almost positive we're not going to get to this next week. So go in order. Like today, we didn't get to finish. So I stop here. So it's better to do it by next week. If you don't have time, we're probably not going to get to the very end. But I suggest to do it. At least until here. Okay, got it, guys?
Of course.
Let me send it to you right now so I don't forget. Okay, that's the whole chapter. You got, as you see the Zalo chat,
Yeah.
it's the explanation of what I just told you guys. Until 59. Page 59. Oh, no. 67. Today was until 59. Yeah, until 67. Stop. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
And next week, if you do it, then you can write your answers more quickly and talk more. Okay, let's talk more. Okay, everybody?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
No, no.
Yeah, so that's how you show me you did your homework because I'm not checking it. All right, goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Okay, goodbye,
Bye-bye,
teacher.
teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.